In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Outlook meeting without sending notification. Sometimes you need to tidy up a meeting invite, maybe refine the agenda, add notes, or attach a file without pinging everyone's inbox. Here's the clean, reliable way to do that in Outlook. First, open your Outlook calendar and double-click the meeting you want to edit. Make sure you open the full meeting window rather than just previewing it. This method is intended for meetings you organize, and it focuses strictly on non-critical details that won't affect anyone's schedule. Inside the meeting window, make your changes to the agenda or notes in the body of the invite, or add, remove, or update attachments as needed. These are considered non-disruptive updates. The key is to avoid touching anything that changes the plan, such as the start time, end time, date, or location. Those items are treated as critical, and Outlook will want to notify attendees if they change. Once your edits are in place, save them by pressing Ctrl+S, or click the Save option if you prefer using the toolbar. Do not click Send Update. After saving, close the meeting window. If Outlook prompts you with a message asking whether you want to send the update, choose Do Not Send. That's the crucial choice that keeps notifications from going out. Outlook will store your changes on the meeting without emailing participants. With this approach, attendees won't receive a new message, but your updates will be visible the next time they open the meeting on their calendar. If you added or replaced an attachment, remind participants during your meeting, or in a separate communication if appropriate, to open the attachment from the calendar item to ensure they're viewing the latest version. Remember, this only works when you change non-critical details like agenda, notes, or attachments. If you adjust the time, date, or location, Outlook will require sending an update because those changes affect attendees' schedules and reminders. If you're ever unsure whether a change might trigger an alert, keep the edit limited to the meeting body or attachments, save, and choose Do Not Send when prompted. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.